Hi, I'm Montse Reece, winemaker at Pedroncelli Winery. This harvest 2025 has been a really good one. The weather has been very mild, and I find the Zinfandels in particular have a huge blackberry flavors this year, so it makes me very excited about it. Our first day of harvest was September 3rd, a little late for our normal start, and the last day was October 10th with these grapes here that are Syrah from Dry Creek Valley. This is my 19th harvest here at Pedroncelli, and I can say that this 2025 vintage has me very excited for the quality that I see, and I hope you guys stick with us to taste it. Wishing you a better rest of the year. Cheers.